Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. Let's talk a little bit about saws and why. Why do we have so many saws? It seems like we just can't get enough, right? Well, in reality, you could get away with one saw. You would have to do what's known as a hybrid filing, because in order to cut wood across the grain, you need a knife, okay? You need basically two knives. They're cutting on either side, and then something cleans out the chip in the middle, okay? That's how a crosscut works. How a rip saw works is it's like a bunch of chisels, and they're cutting a groove, okay? You ever use a plow plane, okay? It's cutting a groove. So it's basically ripping, all right? So that would be the reason for two saws. This one is my crosscut saw, and this one is a rip saw. These are both used for small tenons and dovetails. That's what these are used for. Now, Western saws are all used on the push stroke, on the downstroke, okay? Eastern, or as we have come to know them, Japanese saws, are used on the pull stroke, all right? So the larger of this style, and this is called a, I believe it's a Ryoba. I'm not really good with all the names. This one happens to be a razor saw number S610. Very thin steel, sharpened to a razor's edge. Crosscut on one side, rip on the other. They're not the same type of saw, just less teeth. They have a different purpose. This would be for crosscut, and this one would be for ripping. And let me show you. If I were to rip this, as in a dovetail or a tenon, I would use the rip blade. See how nice and smooth it is? Okay? And then if I want to crosscut, see that? It's effortless. No extra downward pressure is necessary. You just let the saw do its own cutting. Zingo bingo. Compare that to this one, which I'm putting downward pressure on because I'm pushing it into the cut. So comparison in the cut texture, this is the Western saw, and this is the Japanese or Eastern saw. They're very close. I would say the Japanese or Eastern saw has a slight finer finish. And boy, we're still hot here. So back to why we have so many saws. If all I was doing is standing here at this bench, making the same thing more or less every day, I could narrow my selection of saws down to a handful. Small crosscut, small rip, larger crosscut, larger rip for breaking down panels, bigger pieces. If, however, I'm going to also have saws to use when I get a lumber delivery and I need to break down big boards, I need another collection of saws. Saws with 4 or 5 teeth instead of 12, 15. So that brings us to the teeth. The number of teeth you have engaging in a material, and I don't care whether it's wood, metal, plastic, I don't care. You have to have a certain number of the teeth themselves engaged in the wood in order to give you a smooth cut. If you have 3 teeth that take up a 1/4 inch of the saw blade and you want to use that to cut an 1/8 inch dowel, no. On the other hand, if you have a 1 inch dowel and you've got 22 teeth per inch, that's too many. Okay, so you need to find that balance of fineness to the work you're doing. Okay, therein why we have so many saws. If all I was doing, like I said, is cross-cutting 3/4 inch pine all day long, I need 1 saw for that. If all I'm doing is ripping 3/4 inch pine all day long, I need 1 saw for that. You keep them clean, you keep them sharp, you keep them oiled, you're good to go. But we don't work in that kind of a world. We work in a world where one day we're using 1/2 inch stock, another day we're using 1/8 inch plywood, another day we're using MDF, another day, so on and so forth. So that is why we have so many saws, and it translates over to power tools the same way. There is no one blade that will do everything. Yeah, there are some general purpose, but there's trade-offs. You get a poorer quality rip and a poorer quality crosscut, but when you compare the two of them, on average, they're acceptable. So that's what, okay, that's what general purpose means. It's an acceptable standard. So that's about it for everybody. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to go in and cool off and rest for another day. Like, subscribe, and share. So glad you were here. Walter out.